Hello children, welcome to Gokulam. This is for kindergarten student worksheet activity. Animals and their sounds. Animals and their sound. Sheep bleat. Cats mew. Monkeys chatter. Ducks quack. Cows moo. Elephants trumpet. Lions roar. Horses neigh. Snakes hiss. Owls hoot. Hens cluck, dogs bark, birds chirp. Animals and their sounds. Sheep bleat, monkeys chatter, cats mew, ducks quack, elephants trumpet, cows moo, lions roar, snakes hiss, horses neigh, owls hoot, hens cluck, dogs bark, birds chirp. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.